Hey, what's up everyone? This is Brian and welcome to the first course on learning Flutter development that assumes you have no development experience whatsoever. I will walk you through the process of creating and distributing an app with Flutter. In this course, you'll learn how to create your very first Flutter app. This is a simple but fun game called Bullseye, where users are tasked with guessing the correct number on a slider. This course is meant for folks at all levels of programming experience. It's good for experienced developers new to Flutter, and it's good for people who have never programmed at all. Okay, this course is quite intentionally based off of our course, Your First iOS in Swift UI app course for iOS developers. Bullseye is the app created in that course too. And so in this course, you get to see how to make the same exact app, just using the Flutter framework instead of the iOS SDK and Swift. If you watch that course before watching this one, you get to compare and contrast Flutter development against native iOS development. Our hope is that this will help you understand both Flutter and iOS on a deeper level, and also see that Flutter development isn't all that different from native development. The best part is your app will run exactly the same on Android devices. You can even take Flutter apps to the web and desktop. Flutter really is becoming the best of many worlds. In the next episode, we'll begin by discussing what Flutter is and how it differs from native iOS and Android development. You'll learn the answer to burning questions you might have. Should I learn Flutter? Or should I learn native iOS and Android? In the third episode, we'll take a look at the steps you need to run through to get started with Flutter development. That includes installing the Flutter tools, choosing an editor, and installing the iOS and Android software development kits. Then I'll walk you through the process of installing a Flutter development environment on both macOS and Windows. Choose the episode that works for your platform. After which we'll create a brand new project in Visual Studio Code so we can build the entire app from scratch. You'll learn all about the various software components that make up a Flutter project. Then we'll close out this part by creating a simple user interface and then previewing your interface on an Android emulator. This course is designed to be hands-on, where we build the app together step by step. It's very important you just don't watch the exercises, but actually follow along. Open up Visual Studio Code, type along with me, and run the app we build in either the iOS simulator or an Android emulator. This helps you understand how the app gets built step by step. In addition, the course contains several hands-on challenges where you get to practice what you've learned on your own. It's in your best interest to actually pause the video and try solving the challenges. You're going to learn a ton by doing this. There's a big difference between knowing the path and walking the path. And the only way to learn programming is to actually do it. It is my sincere belief that this course and those that follow in our Flutter beginner's learning path can turn you from a complete newbie into an accomplished Flutter developer. But you do have to put in the time and effort. By making this course, we've done our part. The rest is up to you. Okay, so let's blast off into our Flutter adventure by taking a look at what exactly Flutter is.